Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. I look absolutely insane right now, but I'm about to get it together. Listen, I have to prep my hair for a wig install. Yes, I will be posting about it. Why? Because although I said I was gonna retire, I also didn't plan on taking 2 months off work and living my very best life while I was doing so. I got to build that savings back up, so wig install is coming soon. However, that is not the point of this post. The point of this post is this: before I install the wig, clearly I need to do a braid down and I need to wash and condition my hair first. In comes this new line from Shea Moisture. It's the Amla Oil Bond Repair line. I purchased these products because I was genuinely interested in them. So in this video, I have the Shea Moisture Amla Oil Bond Repair Shampoo. This right here. I also have the mask. And in addition to that, I have the leave-in conditioner. I also want to say this. Before I end the video, I need y'all to stick around. And the reason I say that is because I am a strong believer that God didn't bless me with this channel just to make my pockets swell up. I believe I'm supposed to help other people. And so a couple months ago, like at the end of February, I asked some Black-owned businesses, send me your products. I will advertise them on my channel for free. They did that. And so I want to make good on that promise to them. And I believe these are all Black woman-owned businesses too. So with that being said, let me go wet down my hair and we are going to get started. All right, we are back. We are collected. Let's get into this actual review. So again, this is the Bond Repair line from Shea Moisture. It reminds me of like the Olaplex system. Y'all know Olaplex was all the rage when they first came out. It's usually for people who have color treated hair. If you don't have color treated hair, then this probably isn't a necessity for you. I could see how it could help you if you heat style your hair on a regular basis. But if you're not doing anything that causes your bonds to break, shout out to Narada, then I don't really think that this is a necessity. But as y'all know, even though it's dark, I do have color treated hair. So this is something that could be good for me. All the products I purchased were around $14 each. So it has a very light, fresh scent. So I am going to go ahead and shampoo my hair. Right now, I feel like this is she a little strong, Chad. All right. Okay, so look, let me go ahead, rinse this out. This got a nice lather. Rinse this out. I'm gonna come back and let you know how I feel. Alrighty, darling. So I rinsed out my hair. Child, okay, listen, this is what I'm gonna say. I rinsed out my hair clearly. I did one shampoo. My hair felt very clean and I felt like my hair was getting tight. And so what I will say is after one shampoo, while it did not leave my hair feeling stripped, I do believe if I had washed a second time with it, that I would have gotten that feeling, because this is a strong shampoo. And I guess it should be if it's a reparative system, but yeah, baby, she's strong. All right, now let's get into the next step, which is the Bond Repair Mask. Kind of got the same smell. It's very thick, like most Shea Moisture masks are. I probably need to go get some water because sometimes the slip don't be what I need it to be for my hair with super thick products. But I'm gonna try. Yeah, I need some water, baby. She ain't moving. All right, that smell like it. Okay, so I'm gonna just take some more. Slip is still not the greatest, even on really wet hair. Maybe your in the shower experience will be better, but application is not as slippery as I need it to be. I am going to follow the directions. They say leave it on for 5 minutes. I am probably going to do 8, just because usually those directions is for everybody and I just need a little extra touch. Okie dokie, Smoky Joe. So clearly I just rinsed out my hair. I will say this, my hair feels strong. My hair feels tight. I don't know if it's showing on camera, but my curl definition has already started and I haven't detangled or anything like that. The shrinkage is definitely shrinking. Moisture, I would say mid-level moisture. It's not super moisturizing for me. A slip, very light. Let that, very light on the slip. I need you to hear me, child. It's very light on the slip, all right? At least for me, that's my experience. But definitely good for the repair. Now let's get into the Bond Repair leave-in conditioner. Okay, all right, okay, listen. The slip, all right. Okay, okay, I got a little more. Okay, maybe I just need to add some more. I need to add some water, but the slip is light. All right, it's light. I'm just being honest with you, Chief. It's light. Hey, y'all, look, that little patch Baby, God is good. That thing was gone. But anyway, anytime I actually put a leave-in on my hair, I like to, y'all know where this is going. I got to put a cap on top. And Lord, I hate doing the introduction. I hate doing the introduction, but y'all seem to love it so much. So with that being said, we got a guest that's gonna help me. Y'all already know what it is on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Say hey, Samantha. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Samantha. Okay, there we go. Now you happy now? All right, that was gone. And we are back, darling. I did separate my hair, but I have not detangled yet. Upon touching my hair, it could use some more slip, and that's just being honest. But let's see what this comb goes through like. Okay, so I'm just take this. Yeah, it could use some more slip. It could use some more slip. Definitely could use some more slip. So while I'm detangling, because I do have to go ahead and do a braid out, let me go ahead and give you my final thoughts on everything. I feel like this line is really good for reparative properties. I felt like this needs some slip, baby. I felt like it was great for elasticity, and it was great for strengthening my hair. As far as like the whole bonds thing, I'm not sure if it repaired bonds, but it did make my hair overall feel really good and strong. If I could change anything about it, I would let this product line have more moisture, just because I need some for me personally, and I would definitely request more slip. Would I use these products again? Sure, because I'm color treated. If you are not color treated, can I say you need this? I don't think so. Usually, if I put on a leave-in and I let it sit for 10 minutes, once I run a comb through my hair, it detangles like butter. This is not doing that. So yeah, the moisture and slip needs an improvement for me. But overall, to strengthen my hair, I do like it. Okay, so let me go ahead and do my wig install, and I'm gonna come back and we're going to do a small black business shout out. Excuse me. Yeah, hold on. Wait, hold on, Jason. Listen. Okay, so let's run this back, all right? Because I was just like, where the moisture? Yeah, okay, it's there. I just turned it up some. But listen, I was blow drying my hair. The heat. I don't know what the heat did that activated. I was like, oh, there's the slip. So yeah. Add heat. It's not in the directions, but I'm telling you, add heat and it do something. Yeah, that right there. Oh, I'm gonna buy it again. Listen to me. Use heat. As we are back, this portion of the video I'm actually recording on the day that this will go up on YouTube. I am, well, hopefully, but I'm super excited to show y'all some black women owned businesses that I hope y'all are able to support. I got some really dope stuff in the bill, and I hope y'all love it too. And just let me say this, I really love and appreciate y'all for supporting my endeavors, whether it's my content, whether it's my hair growth oil, which is 40% off right now, shameless plug. But most importantly, one thing that brings me a lot of fulfillment on this channel, because y'all know I got multiple, but this particular channel, is when I was able to do Black Girl Friday, to see the way black businesses were being supported in droves. I truly appreciated that. I really love being a part of that, so I'm very excited about this portion of the video. I'm gonna start with one of the babies. Y'all, I opened this book, I read it, and like literally it brought a tear to my eye. Kids got my heart. So this is called S is for Sky, and all the contact information for everything that I mentioned will be down in the description box. So this is S is for Sky, not sickle cell. And it says, I'm not gonna read the whole thing to y'all, but it says, this book is a dedication to all of the babies around the world born with sickle cell disease. May you smile, sing, swim, and skate until your heart's content. Nene. Y'all know I'm a mama now, and that's why my heart is even more tender to kids. I always had a thing for the babies and the elderly, but a baby dealing with sickle cell disease can really be hard on a baby, or on anybody's body, but especially a baby. So just like, I'll just read the first page. Hi, I'm Alexandra. First, hold on, let me say this. The pictures, I don't know if y'all can see it. Is she not cute? Okay, but it says, hi, I'm Alexandria Sky Brown, and this is my story. S is for Sky, not sickle cell disease. You see, I have sickle cell disease. Doctors told my mommy that I may not be able to do as much as other kids, and it just starts going through the letter S and just different things. It is super, super cute. Like S is for skating, you know, so we trying to empower her and other babies. So yeah, you're not sickle cell disease. You are who you are. You just so happen to be dealing with that. So shout out to Sky Brown and Nene. Illustration by Faith Satterfield. Again, the information will be down below. This is the cutest, sweetest book. Next, let me do the clothing first, just because y'all, and this is just being honest, I just came home from the gym. I haven't jumped in the shower yet. I was trying to get this video done, so I don't want to put these clothes on a sweaty body. So I'm going to show y'all the clothes, and then when it's time to model it, I will do it another day, but I will link it on my Instagram. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is from a company called Zaya's Heart. Girl, this not the cutest. It says Queening on here. I thought this was adorable. So it's a t-shirt. So yeah, I'm definitely going to wear this. I think this is adorable. But to see me model the clothes, you'll have to see it on Instagram. But y'all, Queening, come on somebody. So again, that is a Zaya's Heart, or either Zaya or Zaya. And then she also sent like a t-shirt style dress. And so I will definitely show her some love on Instagram. But if you are looking for especially this Queening shirt, y'all go ahead and check her out. That is so cute. The next company I'm going to give a shout out to is Exclusively Kristen. So this is for the girls with the big old boobs. So one thing that you may, listen, okay, the girls that are busty can tell you, sometimes when it comes to button up shirts, you have a problem because it starts gapping around your breast. And so that is what Exclusively Kristen specializes in. I can see is like extra fabric right there. So if you are a bustier person, you don't have to worry about like gapping and stuff in your shirt. So she sent me an example of one of the button ups that she has to offer. It got this cute little tail in the back, and then also just like a t-shirt as well. So again, I will wear it, and I'm gonna wear it on Instagram so y'all can see it. I'm just sweaty right now, so I don't want to do that. But shout out to Exclusively Kristen. If you are a busty person and you want you some professional attire that you don't have to worry about, you know, that gap popping up right here, check her out. The next thing, so okay, her name is Ariel. It's called Ariel Cameron Leather. She makes everything by hand sewn, and it is genuine cow leather. And so she didn't have time to make me really big custom pieces, but what she could make really fast, she did. She sent me some pictures of some things, and I want y'all to know her products are phenomenal. And so these are just like some of the wallets. I thought that was so cute. You can't really see on camera, but this is actually purple. And so yeah, she makes some really good handmade, really high quality stuff. I'm really proud of her. She sent me a beautiful letter as well. So shout out to Ariel Cameron. I'm gonna see if I can get some of the pictures, put it on screen. If you are looking for some really cute accessories, I love the colors. I know the girls like beige and everything now. Shout out to them for that. I ain't no beige girl, give me some colors. And so she is a colorful girl too. So shout out to Ariel Cameron Leather, and y'all can get y'all leather made things from her. Next, this girl right here, baby, this package smelled so good. I really want to bite the products, but they are not edible. So it is called Summer Breeze. As soon as I unwrapped it, you can smell everything coming out of the packages. It smells so good. So it is a body care line. She sent me some of the cotton candy products. So there is a body mist. She sent me a body oil. She sent me the sugar cookies wax melt. That smells good. Ooh. Girl, I wish this was a body product. I need to check out the site, but listen, watch for my order from this, ma'am. I'm ordering from you. She sent me some cuticle oil, but let me tell you the thing that I was just like, oh, I need like 15 of those immediately. That's this cotton candy body butter. This has quickly become one of my favorite products. It's made kind of like shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, and all that other stuff, but the fragrance, it is so potent. If you are a fragrance girl, check her out. I'm telling you, I smelled it coming out of the package. This is, oh my God, this is such a good butter. Now, of course, because it's oil based, it does separate a little bit. I'm gonna just rub some of this on. I wish I could just partake in. I literally want to bite myself. I can't wait to wear this on a date because, okay, never mind. Anyway, okay, so this is the body butter. Can y'all see this glistening? Can y'all see that? Okay, and so I'm gonna put the oil on the other side. I haven't smelled the oil yet. I smelled that butter and was obsessed immediately. So this is just the oil. Ooh, what's your name? Okay, it is Summer Breeze. Y'all, Summer Breeze smells amazing, especially if you are a gourmand girly. This is it right here. So shout out to Summer Breeze, y'all. Listen. Oh, and she gave me a discount code. I believe it's Faye in the City. All the information again will be in the description box. Listen to me. This is it right here. The last product line I want to give a shout out to is My Body Baby Products. And so she makes, of course, body products, and then she gives you some steps on if you want to use the body scrub. So she did send me a glowing honey whipped body scrub, and it's made with locally organic honey. Oh, that smells amazing. Okay, I can't use it right now just because it's a scrub. I would have to get up and all of that, but this smells really, really good. This smells good. Girl, this smells good. Oh, girl, I wish I could smell my filming room right now because between that cotton candy and this was like, my goodness. Okay, and then this is the whipped body butter. Okay, so it is hot here, and this is just being honest. I actually had to cut the fan off. My air went out yesterday. I'm waiting on maintenance to fix it, and it is 90 something degrees, and so the body butter has actually melted. It does say you can put it in the refrigerator if you wanted to get the shape back, but as far as the smell, it smells delightful. Okay, I wish this was, I'm sorry, I didn't realize I was gonna do this, but yeah, as far as the smell goes, it smells good. Okay, yeah, and it's oil-based product, so it's giving me a good shine and all of that. So shout out to My Body Baby Products. They are all homemade, natural products with great benefits for your skin and your hair. So check out My Body Baby. So she called herself Deanna the Scrub Lady. I know that's right, girl. So I'm sorry to the business owners. I meant to get this stuff up sooner in time for Women's History Month, but y'all know I had to take a mental health break. But now that I'm back, I wanted to keep good on my word. Y'all send me some incredible stuff. And again, to the clothing companies, I will show your stuff off on Instagram, and to the body products and even the leather, the clothing. My baby Sky. Hi, Sky. You're so cute. But to everyone else, I will actually be putting in an order as well. And to those of you all who are watching, if y'all want to support some Black women-owned businesses, check out my description box. All that information is below. I love us, and I thank y'all for loving me. So with that being said, if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all, Maki Dada, and I'm out this piece.